Let's look at how to solve a problem where you have to write the value of each underlined digit. Let's first understand the directions. It says, write the value. Well, the value is just the amount a digit is actually worth. So we're going to write the amount that the digit is actually worth. And the underlined digit, a digit is just a single number, 0 through 9, that represents a value. So let's look at some examples. Let's look at number 3. We're going to write the value of this underlined digit of 1. This digit isn't actually worth 1, it's worth more than that because it's in the tens place. So if we have 110, the value is going to be 10. So let's look at number 4. We have a 9, but it's not actually worth 9, it's worth a whole lot more because it's in a bigger place value. So let's find out what place value it's in. You can look at a place values chart if you're not sure. So it's the 5th one to the right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in the 10,000s place. So if we have a 9 in the 10,000s place, that means we have 9 10,000s, or 90,000. Let's look at number 12. In this problem, we have a 4 in the thousands place. So this 4 actually represents 4 thousands, and the value of 4 thousands is 4,000. Let's look at number 22. We have a 9, but this time it's in the hundreds place. So that represents 9 hundreds, or a value of 900. The more problems you do, the more you may be able to see a pattern forming. So let's go back and look at the pattern. So on number 3, notice that we have one digit after the underlined 1. And we also have 1 0. On number 4, we have 4 zeros, but we also have 4 digits after the underlined 1. On number 12, we have 3 zeros, but look, after the underlined digit, we have 3 other digits. On number 22, we have 2 zeros, and notice that we have 2 digits after the underlined digit. All of these zeros just become placeholders for the true value of the underlined digit. All right, so now that you've had some practice, try to do some on your own. If you're still having a hard time, just come back and watch this video again. Good luck.